Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down what you already know: exact title, date, and the Vocaloid voice. Next, gather primary leads, video ID, forum posts, and social media mentions, and save timestamps and screenshots. Once done, prioritize targets by likelihood of containing the original file. Make sure to note synonyms, romanizations, and alternate titles because creators often upload under different names. Finally, create a simple spreadsheet with source, date, and confidence level so you can measure progress and avoid revisiting dead ends. You now dive into archives and grassroots networks to trace copies. Use Wayback and Archive today to find deleted pages and file names and inspect cached descriptions for links. Once done, post focused requests in Vocaloid communities with concise facts and what you already tried. Attach screenshots. Make sure to DM likely witnesses, fans, comments, and collaborators, and ask for raw files or private links. Also search niche platforms like Nico or their mirror sites, because regional uploads you finish by confirming authenticity and securing the media. Compare metadata, spectrograms, and Vocaloid voice signatures to known works to verify origin. Once verified, make multiple backups in lossless formats and record checksums. Store copies offsite. Make sure to document provenance so others can trust the find. If access is denied or files vanish, contact digital archivists or request public takedown logs to build a case. Troubleshooting tip: if audio is incomplete, seek overlapping clips from different uploads to reconstruct the full track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.